Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. I hope you
Good
had
afternoon.
good lunch.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
And
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
yeah, yeah, good afternoon. And I hope you are not feeling sleepy now. तो हाँ सर, क्लास 15-20 मिनट रुक जाइए, खत्म करके चलते हैं। ठीक है, ठीक है। Okay. I have posted some of the material of today's class in the WhatsApp group. Can you please check it and confirm?
Yes, sir. Get it.
Okay, so this is for your practice. Now sharing my screen. So let's start from here. So this is the orthographic projection, means FB and TV of line AB are shown below with their apparent inclinations. So this is the case for which was the case? Can anyone let me know? The
Sir, some
line is,
students are waiting in the lobby.
let me check. No, I'm not getting any request here. Ask them to rejoin. Let me wait for another 2 minutes and then ask them to rejoin. I I think 83 students are there. So uh, anyone else who is in waiting? So let's start. I'll let them in. So which case is it was? Can anyone let me know? Parallel to
Inclined to both the
BCST,
planes.
inclined to
Inclined to
both.
both the things.
Okay, good. So what type of questions will be there? You will see here. So here TB means top view. AB is not parallel to XY line. Try to join the class. Is there anyone else Who is in your known community is waiting in lobby? Okay. Here TB is not parallel to XY line, hence its corresponding FB A dash B dash is not showing true length and true inclination with SP. Is it right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
If it was parallel to any plane, it could have been identified the true. We could have been identified the true length, but here not. So we will do? Note down the procedure. When FV and TB known, how to find true length value. Views are rotated to determine true length and its inclination with SP and VP. See the procedure? Like here, you are getting A dash and B dash. Okay. So here, can you see? How you will get it? So you have to draw B1 dash, making theta angle in this scale. Top view is rotated and made parallel to XY line. Okay. Can you do it? Yes or no? In this scale, top view is rotated and made parallel to XY line. Can you do it? Are Baba, say yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hence its corresponding front view A dash B dash is showing true length and true inclination with HP. Okay, so you can do it.
Yes,
Top
sir.
view को rotate कर दो, then
Yes, sir.
it will show the true length. That's it. क्योंकि उसी angle से you have rotated it. Next, note down the procedure. When true length is known, how to locate FV and TV? Component A dash 1 of TL is drawn, which is TL means true length, which is further rotated to determine FB. So question can be asked either way. You understand? Either from the true length, it may ask to draw you the front view, or from the front view, top view, it may ask you to draw the true length. So it is the procedure will be a reverse one. So let's see the procedure. Here, A1 is component of TL, true length AB1. Okay, can you see it? Where is
Yes,
A1?
sir.
This one. Okay, A1 is component of TL, true length AB1. Where is AB1? This is. Okay, this is true length, like in this. Hence, it is brought up to locus of A dash. Where is locus of A dash? Here. Okay, and further rotated to get points B dash. It will, if you will not practice it now, it will be very difficult you to understand here, because here I can only show you through PPT, isn't it? But unless until you will practice it, you are not practicing it, it will be very difficult for you to understand. Okay, up to locus of A dash and further rotated to get points B dash, you have to find out A dash and B dash. AB dash will be the front view. Similarly, drawing component of other true length A dash B1 dash TB can be drawn. Can you? I know it is a bit difficult, but if you will apply the procedure now, you can get it very easily. I mean, you can apply n number of procedures. There are many procedures available. You can get the true length. But how to get true length in drawing itself, it is very explanatory. You can see here the procedure itself provides an explanation of these, how you will get the true length. Should I go ahead? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
हाँ, अगर कोई डाउट होगा तो यू विल जस्ट प्रैक्टिस थ्रू द पीपीटी. पीपीटी हैज बीन मेड इन अ वे दैट की ईच एंड एवरी process it will go once you will put it on the presentation mode na, it will go like that only. See here, first this line has been drawn, then what has been done, it has been rotated, then it has been provided b1 reference. You can see it na. So you follow the steps whatever has been provided in the ppt. You will get the true length, or the from the true length you will get the front view or top view and so on. So questions may be asked in either way. So next you see the most important diagram showing graphical relations among all important parameters of this topic. Study and memorize it as a circuit diagram and use it in solving various problems. So true length TL is what A dash B dash and AB1. So angle of true length with SP is theta. Angle of true length with VP is phi. Angle of front view with XY is alpha. Angle of TV with XY is beta. I'm not saying is you to memorize it. You can note it down whenever the procedure needs to be done. You can follow these steps. Important 10 parameters to be remembered with notation used here onwards. At least notation should be remembered. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? I'm not saying that you should remember all these 10 points, but in scenario where you need to calculate these things, at least these 10 points should be with you to recall it. Okay. So what are these 10 points? uh, Anyone wants to say something? Okay. So theta, phi, alpha, beta. Then LTV, LFV, it is the length of FB, length of top view. Component will be A dash one, A1 or A prime, 1 prime. Then position of A, distance of A and A dash from XY. And position of B will be distance of B and B dash from XY. That's it. Distance between the end projections. So these are the things that you have to note it down. Note this, theta and alpha construct with A prime. A prime was what? A prime क्या था?
Front view.
Front view.
Okay. And phi and beta construct with A. B dash and B1 dash on the same locus. B and B1 on the same locus. What do you mean by locus? Anyone?
Sir, traced path.
Trace path. Very good. So you have to trace the path like here it is doing, and then you can identify these things. Okay. Next. Also remember, true length is never rotated. Its horizontal component is drawn and it is further rotated to locate view. Simple. Views are always rotated, made horizontal and further extended to locate true length theta and phi. Theta and phi are related to the top and front view. Okay. Now coming to a problem. So you follow these steps and let me know. Just go through the problem. Line AB is 75 mm long and it is 30° and 40° inclined to HP and VP respectively. And A is 12 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. Draw projections line in first quadrant. How many of you can say that I can draw it? At least projection. How many of you? Can anyone say that I can draw it? I'm not going to ask any question. Just a general comment I just want.
Yes, sir.
You can
Yes,
try.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
told
sir.
you that drawing a line will be, I mean, very easy once you think of drawing the projection of points only. Okay. So points is the lower topology. You have to always go with the lower topology. The solution steps will be draw XY line. Just follow the solution steps. Locate A dash. A dash will be what? A dash क्या बनाएगा?
Front
A
view.
dash will
Front
be
view.
front view. ठीक है. A dash will be 12 mm above XY line and A is 10 mm below the XY line. Okay. So you have followed this step and get the A and A dash. Then take 30-degree angle. So that's why I'm saying that he using that drafter is very important while going for engineering drawing. Otherwise, with the help of drafter only, you can make the angle and the straight line, etc. with reference to your reference plane. Everything will go with reference to your reference line XY and the orientation of your paper. It should always be horizontal with your XY plane. Okay, the upper and lower surface, sorry, upper and lower line of your paper, like if you are using A0 paper, A4 paper, it should always be parallel to XY plane. Okay, so do you know the difference between A0, A1, A4 paper?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, very good. So you can use A4 paper or A0 paper. It's up to you, but I think you have been recommended to use A4 papers only, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
very good. So take 30-degree angle from A dash and 40-degree from A and mark TL. TL is true length, that is 75 mm. So take it. You have taken this angle. You have taken TL, then marked with A dash B dash 1. And what distance you have taken? 75 mm, isn't it?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt till now?
No, sir.
No.
Very
No,
good.
sir.
So you have taken this. Now step 4 is saying join both points with A dash and A respectively. Okay? So you can join it with A dash and A respectively. So you join both the line and then draw horizontal component of TL, true line AB1 from point B1 and name it 1 here. Okay. Then the length A1 gives the length of front view as we have seen already. So I have asked, I told you that the question may be asked either way. Either from either they may ask the true length or they may ask the front view to be drawn. You get it? What I mean? Even
Yes,
with the
sir.
simple
Yes,
procedure,
sir.
even
Yes,
if,
sir.
even if you are not following any procedure, you can tell it this will be component of what? Cos or sine. What will be this in terms of
Cos,
pi?
Gosh.
Cos.
So without using any tool, even you can tell. Huh? But in terms of drawing, you have to follow certain steps. Then same can be done for 7 step. You will get the front view. Okay. From B dash, drop a projector downwards and get point B. Now you see the importance of projector. Only projector can help you. Join A and B, that is top view. You get it? Any doubt till now? PPT is with you, please practice it. And if you are not having drafter, please buy it. Okay? Do you know how drafter look like?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, let me show you once again. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
This
sir.
is
Yes,
your
sir.
drafter. Okay, so this drafter is made in a way that you can rotate it through your desk, and you can make any angle. Even you can check the reference, because you have both you have two scale. One scale you can, you can fix these two scale as in line with the paper. Okay, you might have seen the steps, and now these other thing you can also, you can buy this, or even you can use the simple tape. So these you can buy from Amazon, or from the local market as well, or you can borrow from some of your senior. You are not present in campus right now, but you can search in your vicinity if there is any mechanical engineer or any engineer. They, whosoever have studied this engineering course, they might be having all these things. You can borrow it. Okay, so all these things, and others. Additionally, there is one thing that has not been mentioned here, that is French curve. So French curve, here, you can see, you can draw some curve using this instrument. But yeah, there are several French curves available. So see, and another thing I just want to let you know, nowadays no industry use such hand drawn drawings. Okay, because everything is now shifted on computers. So they are using AutoCAD, CATIA, many designing tool. How many of you are aware of the designing tool?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this
Yes.
course is made just to get an understanding of basic things. Okay, this course is just to meant, because in computer now there is no need to find out true length, another thing. It will let you know automatically. Once you will move the cursor, it will let you know. But at least the basic understanding should be there. That's why this course has been designed. Okay, anyway, so this question has been completed. Now there are some other questions. I leave it to you to practice, and then Professor Yag uh, uh, will ask you to submit some question. Okay. So like in this problem, you can also follow the same thing. Line AB 75 long. This is just the opposite thing. So you can follow the step. You will get everything. Do I need to explain it here? Do I need?
No, sir. We will try first.
Yep. Yeah. Please follow the steps. Otherwise, it will also be boring for you. So there are some questions. Please practice it. Huh?
Yes, sir.
And then
Yes, sir.
see you in next class. Some problem you will get. Uh, we will post it soon. So the question is same, but the definition is made like it represents. I mean different quantities to be drawn, different parameters to be find out. So you can see. So you follow those 10 parameters, and on those 10 parameters, your all questions will be based upon. So such type of question will also come in your examination. Okay. Then problem involving traces of line. So traces of line. These are the points of intersections of a line and its extension with respect to reference plane. A line itself or its extension wherever touches horizontal plane, that point is called trace of the line on HP. It is called ST. Okay. Then similarly, a line itself for its extension. Please let me know if you have any doubt because my job is only limited to read it out and make you understand only. Huh? Similarly, a line itself and its extension, wherever touches VP, that point is called trace of the line on VP. It is called VT. Now, additional two terms come into the picture, that is ST and VT. VT, it is a point on SP. It is a point on HP, hence it is called FV of a point in VP. You can imagine either way. Hence, it is TV comes from XY line here onwards name as V, ST. It is a point on HP, hence it is called TB of a point in HP, top view of a point in HP. Hence, FB comes on XY line. So you have seen already. You have seen the picture here onwards name as H. Steps to locate HT and VT. When projections are given, projection will be with you. Begin with FV, extend FV up to XY line. Name this point H prime as it is a FV of a point in HV. Do you have any doubt here? Is it,
No.
it is just a catching of your ear? Either you can catch this ear or that ear by single hand. It does not matter. The only thing is that you are just uh, going round and round and getting the same thing. The only thing is that the extra complication has been made now. Okay. Draw one projector from H prime. Now extend TV to meet this projector. This point is ST. Same for VT. So let's see. So here you have front view and top view. So how to get ST? How to locate ST? You extend A prime and then name it H. Then get an intersection that is called ST. And then in the similar way you can get the vertical trace. Okay, get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Maybe there are voluminous thing that has been put in a single slide, but once you will practice now you will get to know everything. It's like that you have been read geometric mathematics. It's like that only. Hmm? Observe and note point H prime and V always on XY line. Hmm? Is it? VT prime and V always on one projector, ST and S prime always on one projector. FV, H prime and VT always collinear. Is it so? This type. It is collinear. So there are some observation you can check it. With these observation only, you will be able to finish your project on time, your problems on time, and you can check whether it is right or wrong. So FVH, so this is FV, front view of the line, okay, and H prime and VT, it is a collinear. So though from H prime you have drawn ST, but it is collinear with VT. समझ में आया? And the same for this line. These points are used to solve next three problems. So now see the problem. FB of a line AB makes 45-degree angle with XY line and measures 60 mm. Lines TV makes 30-degree with XY line and A is 15 mm above SP and its VT is 10 mm below SP. Draw projection of line AB, determine inclinations with SP and VP and locate ST and VT. So you can follow the same step here. Let me know if you have any doubt. I'm moving slowly. So you know the location 15 mm above the SP and 45 degree. So it will be A prime, B prime will be what? It will be front view or top view?
Front,
Front view.
front
Front
view,
view.
front view.
Very good.
Front view,
Now
sir.
10 mm down. So you can you can get the ST, you will extend it up to H prime, and then will also extend up to this point, you will get the VT. And then this is called V. I'm moving very slowly. This is AB, this is top view. From the top view, you will be able to locate HT. And this you can see that VT dash S prime, A prime, B prime is collinear. So you can follow the step, you will get all the answer. Even I do not need to explain everything. But the only thing is that you have to follow all the steps. Draw projections of line AB, determine the inclination with HP and VP, locate ST and VP. So you get it, theta and phi, you get it. And you have located ST and VT. So draw XY line, one projector and locate FV A prime 15 mm above XY. Take 45 angle from A prime and mark 60 mm on it. Locate point B prime. Okay, everything is given. Draw locus of VT 10 mm below XY and extending FV to this locus. Locate VT. As FV S prime VT prime lie on one side collinear lines, draw projector from VT and locate V and XY. From V, take 30-degree angle downward, and top view and its inclination can begin with V. Draw projector from B prime and locate B. Now you can see without projector, it is very difficult for you to get these value. That is TV point. Now rotating views as usual, TL and its inclination can be found. Name extension of front view touching XY as S prime. You can see in the diagram, and below it on extension TV locate HT. हो जाएगा ये? But the only
Yes, sir.
thing is that you will be needing projector. So how many of you already having projector? From your sibling, from your friends? Is there anyone who is having projector? No. Please get it. Huh? It is it is recommended. Now you go through problem number 7. It is in the same way. So you only need to follow the steps. You will get all the points. VTST and locus you have to identify, and then you can get the inclination. And then next problem. Anyway, I have posted it, and please check it. And after practicing, if you face any problem, please let me know. Now I'm coming another set of problem. Instead of considering A and A prime as projections of first point, if V and VTs are considered as first point, did you get the complexity now? Now you have not that you are not starting with the first principle or the first point. You are starting with VT and ST are considered point. Then true inclination of line with HP and VP, that is angle theta and phi, can be constructed with VT prime and V respectively. Then from the point V and ST, angle beta and phi can be drawn. That is from the point VT and S prime, angles alpha and theta can be drawn. So you can draw the angle. So please do it with the help of projector. You will, and then you will get the result. Huh? Without practicing it, it is very difficult for you to understand and also for me to make you understand. So please do it. And if you face any problem, please let us know in the chat, either in the chat box or in the WhatsApp group. So same, you follow the steps. Here you will get the answer. Same case of the line in different quadrants. Now quadrants has been changed. So to make another level of complexity, one may change the quadrant. So please work out on these problems, because the problem which will come in examination and for practice, it will be of the of similar kind. The only thing is that you have to follow your own procedure. Sorry, not your own procedure, from the procedure listed in standard procedure listed herein, or you can also follow your own procedure. If you understand in another way, you can follow it. But the final result should be that it should make you understand what it means and how you will get the result. So please use projector for practicing it. So these I'm leaving you to practice, and then let us know if you face any difficulty. Problem 27, how many problems are there? So yeah, this is last problem. So then you will see here applications of principle and projection of line in solving of different practical situations. In these types of problem or situation in the field, or some object will be described its relation with ground, HP, and a wall, or some vertical object will be given. Indirectly, information regarding FVTB of some lines or lines inclined to both reference planes will be given, and you are supposed to draw its projection, and further to determine its true length, it will be required for you to practice, and then questions will be based on this, and inclination with ground. Okay, so please practice these, and let us know if you feel any difficulty. This is it for the day. Thank you very much. Please post your attendance, and I'm here for 5 minutes for any discussion. I hope you guys are having fun being a college student now. What you feel?
No fun, sir.
No fun.
Sir, nothing, sir.
So please, please search something which will give you fun, because during an online mode, you don't understand teacher, and I don't understand you, because we are not in front of each other. But yes, teachers are always open for your queries and to help you out. Please contact us if you feel anything needs to be discussed, or something like that. So what was good? Your